Welcome to this short introduction to the Master of Safety Engineering. I'm Professor Kristel Bernaerts and I'm the Program Director of this Master. I will guide you through this presentation. The Master of Safety Engineering is a one-year advanced master program. This means that you can start this program after you obtained an initial master diploma or equivalent qualification. It is an international master program. The process safety track is taught in English and therefore is open to international students. Let me also mention that the program is supported by Essentia. Essentia is the Belgian cross-sectoral federation for the chemical and life sciences industry. Major incidents in industry are rare, but whenever they occur, the impact can be tremendous. And media reminds us of the importance of safety. The toxic vapor cloud of styrene released from a storage tank in India, the explosion at the ethylene oxide production site in Spain, and the devastating detonation of ammonium nitrate in Lebanon are just a few of eye-catching examples of major incidents from 2020. However, safety is actually a daily business in industry. It is a permanent point of attention. It is relevant in different types of industry, ranging from the process industry, chemical industry, life science industry, energy sector, manufacturing, and many others. Safety professionals in industry are process safety engineers as well as occupational health and safety experts. Together, they take care of the health and safety of employees, the safety of industrial processes and installations, and the protection of society and environment. If you have the ambition to contribute to safety, the Master of Safety Engineering is something for you. Often, engineering graduates are only confronted for the first time with the importance of safety when they start to work as a professional. In many educational programs, the subject is either not presented or only taught minimally. Therefore, this one-year advanced master's gives you the opportunity to acquire a broad knowledge of different scientific and technological disciplines that are required to understand, analyze, and manage the various technical and non-technical aspects related to safety. Topics are, for example, safety management systems, product safety, process safety, explosion safety, structural integrity, qualitative and quantitative risk assessment, emergency management, and human factors. The one-year program includes courses counting for 60 credit points. It is built up in 3 blocks. A set of common compulsory courses, a set of courses related to an option, and a master thesis. Students can choose for the option process safety or the option prevention. Note that the option prevention is only open for Dutch-speaking students. This is because some of the courses are only taught in Dutch. The option also grants the legal certificate of Prevention Advisor Level 1, which is only valid in Belgium. A more detailed overview of the program looks as follows. You see that many safety-related topics are taught in the diverse courses. For more information, I refer to the program website, where you can click on each course and see the detailed content. A particular strength of the program is the involvement of lecturers from academia, industry, and governmental institutes. Academic and professional experts from different fields of expertise and different types of industries convey their knowledge to you. Although the master is not oriented to the petrochemical or chemical industry, many of the examples taken come from this industrial sector. Now I give you some facts and figures. Yearly, we welcome approximately 25 to 30 students. These are Belgian students, and up to 1/3 are international students from various countries around the world. The program can be followed as a full-time student, but we also accept working professionals, and these students typically follow the program as a part-time student. They spread the program over 2 or 3 years. In general, courses are planned on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday morning. A few courses are taught in 1 week. These intensive courses are also open for industrial participants. In between the courses, you study or you work on your master thesis. Master thesis projects are made in collaboration with academia and/or industry. You may choose one of the presented topics, or you may propose a personal topic related to your background or personal interest. Besides the multidisciplinarity of the team of lecturers, many guest speakers from industry and government are invited. Last but not least, several company visits bring practical insight in diverse topics of the courses. What are the admission requirements? There are actually 2 requirements. First, there is the diploma. Holders of a master in engineering science, engineering technology, bioscience engineering, science and nautical sciences can be admitted. Others may be admitted based on a review of their academic curriculum and professional experience, but note that a minimum requirement is a 4-year academic bachelor degree. Each application is evaluated by the KU Leuven Admission Office, as well as the program director representing the faculty. The quality of the application is assessed. Students with a diploma from outside the EEA, UK or Switzerland must submit a GRE score. This is a new requirement since this year. The second requirement relates to language. International students, following the option process safety, have to convey us of their English proficiency. This can be done based on a previous diploma or by providing a proficiency certificate. We accept certificates from different institutes, but a minimum level of proficiency should be obtained. Students in the option prevention have to speak Dutch, either have obtained a diploma in the Dutch education system, in Flanders or in the Netherlands, or have to provide us a proficiency certificate of a minimum level B2 reflecting Dutch proficiency. What does it cost? If you register for a full program, this means 60 credit points. The standard tuition fee is €6,600. We give waivers to fresh graduates who graduated less than 2 years ago, and these students should not be professionally active. The waiver is €2,000. Additional costs are limited. Apart from the application file, there are no costs related to company visits, no costs to handbooks, only a limited amount of cost is related to printing slides. So how do you apply now? If you're a non-EEA student, you have to submit your online application dossier before March 1st. Late submissions are still reviewed, but be careful, late advice can cause delays in visa applications. If you're a student from the EEA, you have to submit your online application file before June 1st. The same holds here. Late submissions are reviewed, can be advised, but difficulties can arise for arranging the practicalities for your stay. Students from the French community in Belgium also follow this online application procedure. For students with a master diploma from the Flemish community, the application procedure is different. You directly email the program director, that's me, and include your diploma, transcript and short motivation, and you submit that as soon as possible, but not later than 3 weeks before the start of the academic year. To conclude, I want to introduce to you 2 testimonies of former students. Mr. Miari was a full-time international student from Lebanon, and he graduated in the option process safety. Afterwards, he found a job with Worley Belgium. Mr. Giesels was a working student, and his employer asked him to follow the option prevention. So I invite you to look to both YouTube movies and testimonies. You can access them with the following links. Thank you for listening. Here you can see my direct email and a link to the master program. You can click either on the course program or review the admission requirements. Thank you for listening, and maybe we will meet in the future.